Hello there, I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser, and in today's video Love Bite, I'm going to tell you what you can do when you say something really dumb and get yourself in trouble. Now, hi, welcome to the human race. If you're a human being and you're in a relationship with another human being, sometimes you're going to mess up. You're going to say or do things that are unskillful, hurtful, or maybe even worse. Where the rubber hits the road on relationship is not trying to become someone who never makes a mistake or gets into conflict or said something rude or unfair. Where the rubber hits the road in relationship is learning how to come back when we stumble and fall. The experts call this repair. How good are you at repairing your relationship when it falls into a little bit of trouble? In other words, are you good at apologizing? I'm going to challenge you this week to try to notice how good or poor you are at apologizing. And I don't just mean saying, I'm sorry. Honestly, this is a little challenging of me, but saying I'm sorry is a pretty weak apology. The way I like to teach it is the following. If I have made a mistake or done something unskillful, first I need to own what I did. Then I need to acknowledge that it wasn't cool and that it created some consternation for you. Then and only then will I apologize. So first I want to own, acknowledge, then apologize. So it might be something like this. I say, I don't know, that's a really stupid shirt. Why are you wearing it? It makes you look fat. It'd be a really mean thing to say, but let's say I said that. If I just say, oh, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that. That's a start, and hopefully I mean that well-intentioned. But how about if I say, whoa, hang on. I just said something really uncool, and I need to own that that was really mean and not a cool thing to say. I did that, and it's not okay. Own it. Acknowledge is in the it's not okay. What I just said wasn't cool. Apologize is, I'm really sorry I said that. I was feeling impatient and grumpy, and I was snarky, and I own it. Look, one of the most noble things we can do as people is acknowledge when we make a mistake. That lets us dissolve what happened. When we've owned it, acknowledged it, and apologized, we get a chance to begin again. Fresh, here and now, with you, with me. Thank you for loving the imperfect person I am. Thank you for, if you're able, forgiving me for messing up. And now we start fresh, right here, right now, one breath at a time. If you've enjoyed this video Love Bite, share it with someone. Maybe share it with someone that you know owe an apology to. Own it, acknowledge, send them the Love Bite and say, I love you, babe. Sometimes I mess up because I'm human. I look forward to seeing you in the next video Love Bite. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Cheryl, and you're fabulous.